Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D objects in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make 3D object in this document. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section. You can add picture or shapes. Now I select the picture. Then click open. Then place this picture to this page. Now we want to make this picture a 3D. Go to the layer section and select the picture layer. Then select the layer effect option, and we can see here show the window. Then select the 3D option, and you can increase the radius or the soften or many things. Then close the window. Now we can see we make 3D object very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.